Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation PS or PUFF or puff as it is known. It's a puff stitch. It is a type of a cluster stitch, and I'm going to show you how to do it with this V puff stitch here that I've got going on. So in my pattern, I go into a chain one space between the two puff stitches to create another set of two puff stitches in a chain. So let's do a puff stitch. This is a 5 stitch puff that I'm making. Your pattern will indicate how big or how small it is. So yarn over, I will go into the chain space, yarn over and bring up a loop. Now this is the tricky bit, and I'm not particularly good at it, is you got to pull up a loop tall so that it is as tall as the side stitches that you're making. My side stitches are a double crochet, so it needs to be that tall. So you pull up that loop nice and tall, yarn over, and my pattern indicates that it is 5 of them. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I like to give it a little wiggle to just straighten them out. Yarn over and go through all of the loops on your hook, and then you'll lock it in with a chain. So that's one puff stitch, and it is a V puff situation with a chain in between. So I'm going to make a chain and create a second puff. So it is a 5 stitch puff. So 1, pull it up, 2, 3, 4, yeah, get tall, and 5. Give it a little wiggle, straighten them out, yarn over through all of the loops, lock it with the chain, and I've come to an end, so I'm going to do a double crochet into this T chain at the end. That's a double crochet there, and there you go. That is PC or puff, a puff stitch.